Statistical sampling is a powerful technique used in various fields to make inferences about a population. Whether you're conducting a survey, analyzing data, or making business decisions, understanding statistical sampling is crucial for obtaining reliable results. In this video, we will explore the basics of statistical sampling, its importance, and its various methods. Sampling is the process of selecting a subset, called a sample, from a larger group or population. The goal is to gather information from the sample and make conclusions about the entire population. This allows us to save time, money, and resources by not having to collect data from everyone. However, the key lies in selecting a representative sample that accurately reflects the characteristics of the population. Random sampling is the most common method used in statistical sampling. It involves choosing individuals from the population in a way that each member has an equal chance of being selected. This helps minimize bias and ensures that the sample is truly representative. For example, if we wanted to survey the opinions of a city's residents, random sampling would help us ensure that each resident has an equal opportunity to participate. Stratified sampling is another widely used method, especially when there are distinct subgroups within the population. In stratified sampling, the population is divided into subgroups, or strata, based on certain characteristics, such as age, gender, or income. Then, a random sample is taken from each stratum in proportion to its size. This helps ensure that each subgroup is adequately represented in the final sample, providing a more accurate picture of the population as a whole. Systematic sampling is yet another method used in statistical sampling. It involves selecting every nth member from the population. For example, if a research team wanted to collect data from a university's student population, they could select every 10th. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on the topic of statistical sampling. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of statistical sampling and its importance in various fields such as research, data analysis, and decision-making. So, let's dive right in and discover the core concepts behind this powerful technique.
Statistical sampling is a method used to collect data from a subset of a larger population. It involves selecting a group of individuals or items from a population in order to draw conclusions about the entire population. The selected subset, known as the sample, should ideally be representative of the whole population to ensure accurate results. One of the main advantages of statistical sampling is that it allows researchers to save time and resources by gathering information from a smaller group, rather than surveying every single member of the population. This is particularly useful when dealing with large populations that are impractical or impossible to study in their entirety. By studying a sample that accurately represents the population, researchers can draw reliable inferences and estimate population parameters. There are various methods of statistical sampling, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The most common sampling techniques include simple random sampling, stratified sampling, cluster sampling, and systematic sampling. Simple random sampling involves randomly selecting individuals from the population, while stratified sampling involves dividing the population into subgroups and choosing samples from each group. Cluster sampling involves dividing the population into clusters and randomly selecting clusters to survey, and systematic sampling involves selecting individuals at regular intervals from a randomly ordered list. In conclusion, statistical sampling is a powerful tool that allows us to make meaningful inferences and draw reliable conclusions about populations. By selecting representative samples and employing appropriate sampling techniques, researchers can efficiently gather data and uncover important insights. Whether you're conducting academic research, making business decisions, or analyzing data, understanding statistical sampling is crucial for obtaining accurate results and making informed choices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the fundamentals of statistical sampling.